She has a fudge shop, which is great. Maximizing profits by producing 1,000 pounds of fudge per day. That's a lot of fudge, people. That is a lot of fudge. Okay, if Winona's fixed costs unexpectedly increase and the market price remains constant, then the short-run profit maximizing level of output is blank. So this is your price, right? This is marginal cost. We are operating right here at 1,000. Now it's saying that her average fixed cost is going to go up, which means that her average total cost is going to go up. So we'll look at average total cost. Let's say it went from here to here.
Won't they stop producing that altogether? If it's up there,
This is short run.
a short run.
No, we're not saying where variable cost is, but obviously it'd have to be below here still, because average fixed cost went up, not average variable cost. So if we were producing already, that's not applicable, like really. You have something like this for average variable cost. This line did not move, okay? We're talking short run. So if it's between average total cost and average variable cost, in the short run you're still gonna produce, right? Because then you still have to pay that fixed cost if you shut down. You're not going to pay $2,000 when you could just lose $10, okay? So you will still, regardless of where this average total cost goes, in the short run you will still operate. You will still produce, okay? Does this allocation move because of that average total cost going up? No, it absolutely doesn't. It doesn't say your marginal cost changed. It doesn't say your price, it says your price remained the same. This is still the profit maximizing allocation, even though you're losing money in this case. And it didn't say that average total cost went above. It could honestly be right here. It could be anywhere. But this is still the best option. This is profit maximizing. So B or N. I guess. The information, are we good? Are we good with that? Does that make sense to everybody? Okay. So last one, 27. Refer to the scenario when the firm.
Can I ask a question about 26 for you, Mom?
Yeah, absolutely. Please.
So what would it look like then if it was like moved to less than or more than 1,000? Like,
What would it look like?
What would it have to do to make it that? Like, is like this is.
You're asking what it would have to do to actually make a change.
Yeah.
Okay. One of two things has to change for the profit maximizing allocation to change.
Mm-hmm.
Price or marginal cost.
Okay.
If it said marginal cost like decreased, I'm not actually sure how to shift that, but it looks something like this. Your new profit maximizing allocation would be like right here, that would be less. If it was like more, I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure how that works.
Okay.
I think this would actually be more, because it's more expensive, so you could produce less. But either way, that would have to move, or the more common one, your price would move. So if your price were to go way up, you're now producing right here at 1,200. That's the only way your profit maximizing allocation will move.
Okay.
Is it price moves or your marginal cost moves? On the exam, the only thing that I could see moving would be the price, not marginal cost, because we haven't went over how that shifts or anything like that. So unless one of those two things changes, your allocation for profit maximization is the same. That sounds like a lot of stuff, but it's really just one concept. Are we good with that? Okay, great. 27 is just a math problem. I mean, to me, it's just a math problem. To you, it's probably Satan himself. But I don't know. I'm not you guys. Oh no, this one's not bad. It's saying that average total cost. So if you're trying to find your total cost, and all you have is your average total cost and your units, what do?
Don't you just, you multiply 2450 and
Yep.
24.5.
Yep.
5 and then by 40 and then the difference is the answer.
Exactly. Somebody, oh, good, I wrote them down.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay,
That's the exact same problem on the end of chapter
I know.
14, even the same numbers.
a few of these, yeah, a few of these are the same,
Mhm.
or at least, they're all the same concept.
Yeah.
So,
that's
but yeah, this
different
is,
numbers.
I noticed that too. So it's literally just the difference between these two. Because that's just one unit, right? So if we're looking at it like that, you're taking 3707.05 minus 3675 over 151 minus 150, or 1. Okay. So that's the difference. It's $32.05. Yes. Any questions? Any questions overall? Anybody at all?